Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to make these paper hexaflexagons. So they are a very nice anti-stress toy and quite fun to play with. If you want you can draw stuff here, but I'm not really looking at it, I just love playing with it. So I'm not gonna draw any pictures or stuff. So basically that's it. Hope you guys like the video. So let's get started. So for this project, you're gonna need a sheet of paper that measures 10 centimeters by 25 centimeters, a ruler for measuring, glue, pencil, and scissors. So basically that's it. Let's get started. So first of all, take the paper and with your ruler make a mark every 4 centimeters. So after making all the marks, which I have already made, you're gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 marks here, and on this side you're gonna make 2 marks. So basically do the same thing but in the opposite way on these both sides. So that's it, and after that just follow the pattern which I'll make, which is gonna go like this. If you think you're having difficulty seeing this pattern here, you can Google it, because there are many hexaflexagon templates out there. So basically you'll pull the lines diagonally on this one side, and after this side is done you're gonna do it on the other side the way I am doing. You're gonna basically leave this tiny space out here. This is basically a 1 centimeter gap because it is 25 centimeters. So I'm done with the 24 centimeters, but this 1 centimeter is left because this will be for the gluing part, and you're not gonna do anything here for now. You're gonna use this point. So guys, basically this is the template. If you think you're having trouble seeing it, you can Google it as well. Let me make it a bit more visible. Here is the line. Yeah, you're gonna just leave this space for now. And after you're done doing it, take your scissors and cut along these lines. First of all, you're gonna cut a tiny slit here, as well as here. And also on these edges. Like this. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut out this part, and these parts, this and this. So basically you're left with this shape, and this is basically gonna be our hexaflexagon. So first of all, fold inward along these lines. So guys, I'm done folding all of these inwards, and then you're gonna fold them along these lines. Basically nothing, these points only. So guys, I'm done. So guys, after you're done folding all of these inwards, and I guess I made a mistake, these are supposed to be folded this way, I guess, but that's not a big deal. Once you have folded it on one side, it's gonna be easy folding it on any side you want. And now look at this step carefully. You're gonna do what I'm doing. Just try to connect all these together. It should form a shape like this. You might notice that you're having some trouble here, but that's not a big deal. If you think that you're having too much trouble, you can just crease it once again. So guys, you have noticed it has got a kind of a shape. Yeah. After that, use your glue and glue these points. So guys, look, I'm done gluing these points. Now you'll just put it together, and notice this part here, which you're gonna just glue it together. This glue always has to annoy me on the right time. Whatever. After that, just make sure to put it inside and just wait for it to dry. So basically that's it. You're done. You should actually wait for the glue to dry up, not the way I'm doing here. So after it dries up, it's gonna look like this, and you can work with it easily. You have to do it a few times to make sure that it works perfectly. Yeah, so basically that's it. Please like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see me doing more tutorials. Bye.